Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube. I'm here in the Sunshine Coast on Queensland Coast, Australia. Okay, I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm doing a bit of a I think I'll just let it progress and let you see. It's actually going to be kind of a little bit of a reflection pour that I'm going to add a tree to. So I'm layering my colours in a fashion that I believe when I blow them out with the dryer will create some really stunning effects. So I'm using some really nice bright colours to be my background, and then I'll progress on from there. I think I'm just going to jump in when I need to and let you watch this evolve. So yes, using my little blow dryer to blow out the colours, I've got my blow dryer on low, trying to be mindful as I go along how I want this outcome on the canvas. So it's just basically take your time with this and put your little blower on low so you've got a lot more control over it. And it's going to be like the night sky, the red and the orange is in a night sky. So let's see how this progresses. So now for my bottom bit, I wanted to do it in two separate pieces like that so I could be mindful of what I was doing. So having a bit of trouble squirting that white out, it might just have a little bit of congealed paint in there. So I'm going to blow the bottom out but the opposite way now. So hopefully this turns out how I've got it in my head. It is progressing along nicely in my mind at the time, so bear with me because it will be worth it in the end and it might be a fun thing for you to try too. So yes, I add in that blue there in a kind of archway, but yeah, bear with me, it's coming along nicely. So yes, just currently going over with my heat wand to just help the paint absorb into the canvas and burst any unwanted air bubbles. So what I will do, just finishing off the sides, and I will allow this to now dry, and then we'll go on to the next stage. So it's all dry here, and my camera didn't film the first bit. I forgot, well, I thought I turned it on and I didn't. So what that is, it's all dried, and I put my stencil, my tree stencil on there. So as you can see, I just put a bit of masking tape on it to make sure I hold it nice and firm. I've just got straight acrylic paint. Don't use for stencil, I wouldn't use your acrylic paint with pouring medium. It'd be too runny, and so then you have more of an opportunity for the paint to go bleed underneath and distort your stencil. If you're great at painting trees, then you don't need a stencil, but this is a nice easy way for non-artists to create a tree on your pour. And I love this particular stencil, even though it is kind of flimsy. You really have to keep your fingers held on. I just find that the thicker the paint, the neat acrylic, you can always go back over it and scrape the whole stencil. But I find it better if it's kind of quite thick when you lift it off, and then you can always scrape your stencil of the extra paint off afterwards and put it back in your container. So I just taking the tape off straight away, really, because you don't want that to dry on there. Wow, yes, but you haven't seen it yet. There you go. It is actually quite standy outish, so I'll let you have a look at the dry piece. I haven't resined or varnished it yet, but I may do so very soon. But super happy with that, and I hope you love it too. It's just giving you different options to do with your acrylic pour, but I'll be definitely trying this again. So my lovelies, please take care. Thank you so much for your support in watching and subscribing and to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, bye for now.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we